Alright, bruh. What we about to do?
Man, we about to pick up a 1JZ GTE vvti Sc300 in Orlando.
And where are we now?
We are in Boyan. We are
South Florida.
South Florida, man. We got an hour, almost 2 hours. He had it listed for 18. I lowballed him to 65. We're gonna pull up for 5,000.
Nigga, oh, you got the bread. Yo, show him the bread, man.
Yeah, you already know, man. This real pompano shit, man. Real pompano shit, man.
Oh, all right, bet, man. We outside, man. Okay, man, what you got yourself into, man?
So I don't even know what the fuck I got, but I done bought it, man.
Damn, nigga. Yo, rev this shit for me real quick, man. Yo, how this shit feeling though, man?
This shit feel crazy.
How that boost felt?
Man, I almost threw up in my face because the G-force just fucking nigga up. But like, I don't know, this shit got shit I don't even know about. Strut bars, front brakes,
headlights, fog lights. Look at this.
The interior.
Strut brakes. Oh, hold on, don't forget the brakes, man. Don't forget them brakes, nigga. Yeah, he ain't lying. This interior go crazy, bruh. All black, reupholstered seats, brand new. Look at the squish, boop bop. Rear seats too. Headliner. Car is wicked. Super brakes in the rear too, I guess. This car is sick. Evan said he wanted boost, bruh. That nigga got boost. And he never had a boosted car, never had a rear wheel drive, like real car.
Only crazy tail static, man.
Hey, man, so what's the plan, man? You going cut knuckles, bro? What you doing?
We going to knuckle up. We going to final battle.
Oh, shit.
So we need the kit, we need to get yellow, we need to buy the fucking sticker shit.
Delivery.
We need delivery. Man, fuck the seat time though, fuck the seat.
Whoa.
My goal right now, I'm gonna be a veteran, man. Just remember this video, I'm gonna be a veteran.
You're a veteran, man. For how long? Like a year from now, or a week? A day?
Yeah, I'd say
tonight?
Like a couple weeks, man.
Oh, all right.
Maybe a couple days, man. I've said this business for a while, I ain't gonna lie.
Shit, man. I was gonna try to do a burnout, but this shit not my car, you feel me? So I ain't doing shit.
I'll do the burnout though.
Alright, bro, we gotta hit the road though, you feel me? We getting late. Just let me know how it drives. It's a little sketchy up front, we fix that later. 2-hour drive back home. Oh, yes.
Should I go to your trip or no? We got that 1J Whipple, man. Man, this should drive nice, man. Gauges work. I ain't gonna hit boost or nothing because this ain't got no plate, but.
Alright, thank you, officer. You too, man.
Just trying to get us locked up for the SC, man.
Alright, this one gotta do that.
That shit got no plate on that motherfucker, man. The music and the extra person.
You're gonna race him like this versus your car, as is. Alright, you heard it here first.
Right now. Let's race right now.
Right now.
Right now. Ego.
Yo, you gonna raise that too, man? Alright, so go ahead. Give us your overnight thoughts of the car. Walk around.
The car, they start up, they drive, they hit boost. Enough boost for me.
There you go. Talk to me about what you realize you got.
Got a 1J with some turbos and other cool stuff. Super brakes.
Super brakes.
I'm calling out a 1JZ Riyadh for race. And Young Melandro. Yeah.
I heard you got a new follower today.
Oh yeah, Young Melandro. I'm trying to slide with him at the park on the grass. I'm calling out everybody.
Alright. How the interior, we didn't get the car in the date last night, obviously. But this shit is nice, dude.
Black interior, crazy.
Everything worked. Except for the auto tilt, right? We gotta fix that.
I mean, it's working, it's just not, it's like sticking.
Yeah.
I think it's the auto, and then the e-brake is the offset. Oh yeah, the e-brake don't work.
Yeah, it does. No. I used it last night.
You pulled it while driving? He kept driving. No, I got the light, I pulled it, and I let go of the gas, the car still rolling.
You gotta adjust it. This car is nice.
Oh yeah, on the stance though. Yeah, so shit is done already though. Yeah, interior is everything's done. I just need the kit, basically. Yeah, and then
Yeah, now you just gotta make it yours.
kit, paint, bucket seat mirrors. What? You gonna keep it going? I don't know. Keep it.
The motor's pretty sick. The price that he paid, you can't beat this shit.
It's like, I didn't know about
And it drove all the way from Orlando to Broward, no problem.
No, the energy, yeah.
Yo, so tell me, you gonna daily this shit every day?
Every day, hitting ASM in the morning, Jeff event at night, and still pulling up to the shop, man.
Damn.
One fucking time, bitch.
Fuck a thing with that tongue ring! Oh, the first thing with that tongue ring! Oh, the first thing with the tongue ring!